Greetings one and all, welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm just going to make a very quick cocktail, but a very delicious one. And it's a variation on a espresso martini, and this one is called an espresso mutt-ini, as in M-U-T-T-ini. And just quickly, apologies for a bit of a delay between videos. Again, life's catching up. I'm preparing to head over to Kenya again. Regular viewers know I've got my family over there. We're going through an immigration process, blah 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 blah. That video is not about that, but yeah, anyway, if you're a subscriber and wondering where I've been, yeah, I've just got caught up, work, everything. Alright, let's get on with making this cocktail. So, the main ingredient is going to be espresso coffee, and we've got this sheepdog peanut butter whiskey, which is kind of like a liqueur whiskey. Very, very delicious, very nice. It's just nice on the rocks by itself, but yeah, we're just going to elevate it a bit. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Sheepdog in any way whatsoever for promoting them, but yeah, if you're interested, Sheepdog or whoever makes Sheepdog, I think it's American, by all means I'm willing to do any sort of promotions or anything. I'm not shameless because I love your product. Yeah, I'll do anything for, say, yeah, 1 bottle a month, something like that. That'd be good. Hey, I've even promoted your sheepdog whiskey in the continent of Africa, specifically Kenya. I took a couple of bottles over for family over there. They all loved it, by the way. Anyway, sorry, I'm digressing. Get on with this video. So, simple ingredients, like I say. Espresso coffee, ice, which, thanks to my fridge over there, new fridge over there, since I've moved into this place. It's a lot easier to come by. I've got my sheepdog whiskey, and I've just got my, I call this my cocktail shaker. It's actually a insulated water bottle, but that's what I use. Just a measuring cup. So, into my cocktail shaker, I'm going to add 2 ounces of my espresso coffee, and that is the equivalent of 60 ml. Get back a bit here so we can see what's going on. Alright, 1 ounce, 2. Now the same with our sheepdog peanut butter whiskey, 2 ounces or 60 mils. Man, it even smells good. And then we'll just get a heap of our ice cubes into our mixer. There should be plenty. We'll get the lid on it. And we're going to give that a good, vigorous shake. And once you've given it a good shake up, we're just going to strain that into our cocktail glass there. Gently pour it in. And I'm just going to garnish that with a few crushed peanuts on top. And last but definitely not least, I'm going to give that a taste. And that, my friends, is pure heaven. Very, very, very nice. So simple, as you saw. Just, yeah, good ingredients. Good coffee, a good liqueur, and some ice, and man, and a bit of, yeah, manual labour. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to those who've subscribed to the channel. The next video you see will be coming from Africa, specifically Kenya. As I said, regular viewers of my channel know it's kind of like my second home while we're waiting for my family to immigrate here to Australia. And yeah, who knows what the next video is going to be about. It might be cooking, it could be yeah, especially cooking with the kids. I enjoyed making those. Could be a road trip, could be about golf, could be anything about Kenya, could be a safari, who knows. But yeah, thanks for hanging in there. While I'm over there, I'll probably be there for a few weeks. And yeah, if you could subscribe to my channel, that'd be great. But if you don't want to, no worries. And I will see you all next time from Kenya.